You took a photo of me.
This is the registration. Oh, got it. This, the village will be like this.
Yeah.
Matching outfits.
Mario Cultural Village.
Hats.
Wow.
Yeah.
He's got a white hat, you have a white shirt, you have a white
Then
Oh,
they are
that's
going to
it.
take us to each house to present each
This is like Disney.
Disney.
Like, you know, like the Animal Kingdom.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Never been there.
Yeah, we're gonna get experience here.
Yeah.
Are you okay now?
Yeah.
Oh, so sorry
I'm
to
Palestinian.
see that.
It's okay.
You're very strong, right?
Hello.
How do you feel?
Wonderful. Beautiful. Oh, we need to go at night. Yeah.
Yeah.
Welcome everyone to Mari Mari Cultural Village. Thank you very much, bro. Formally welcome. Formally welcome, yeah. And in Mari Mari Cultural Village, I'm going to go straight away. I'm going to explain a little bit about your activity, what you are going to see and what you are going to explore here in the Mari Mari Cultural Village houses, yeah. So in the village itself, there are 5 different traditional houses which belongs to the 5 of the largest ethnic group that you can find here in Sabah. As a general knowledge to everyone, we in Sabah, we have 32 different ethnic group, yeah. So it's a multiple ethnic group that lives here in Sabah in harmony, and you are only going to see the 5 largest ones, yeah. From the map, from number 3, if you guys can see, all the way to number 7 are all the houses that we will go through, and the names of the tribe. The first ethnic that you are going to visit, they are known as the Dusun ethnic, yeah. Second native tribe, they are known as Rumus, the tribe that live in long houses. And then the third native, the inland, yeah, the river people, they are known as Lundaya. And then the fourth native tribe, they are known as the Bajau. They are the sea gypsies. They are the semi-nomadic gypsy long time ago. Yeah? If anyone here is from Philippines, they might be familiar with this native tribe. Yeah? And then the last ethnic group are the hill people. They are known as the Murut native tribe. Yeah? Murut itself means hill people. In between the 5 tribes that we are going to see later, that you are going to visit, the Murut native tribe are well known to be the most aggressive, and they are territorial. They are aggressive, yeah. They are known for their aggressive style. All their styles are aggressive, yeah. So for Murut native tribe, for the Murut, we have to do a welcoming ceremony at the front of the gate of the tribe house later. So each group later on will require 1 volunteer from amongst all the group, the 4 groups later. We need 1 volunteer to become the chief of the group in order to visit the Murut native tribe. Yeah? This is an activity, a part of an activity for everyone during our house visit. As long time ago, in order for you to be recognized, in order for you to see them and you're an outsider, this is one of the ways that long time ago, if you want to be welcome, they need to know who you are, they need to know what's your intention and so on. So later on, the chief will come up to the front and he will meet with the chief from Murut, and the chief of Murut will ask you a few questions, very simple questions, like for example, your name, where do you come from, and who are the people that you brought together with you. And that's how they do it a long time ago. Similar to if you have seen the Maori, the Tahitians, yeah, before the Samoan, very similar style. It's just that we have also have our own style from the Murut native tribe. Yeah. Once we have complete visit all of the houses, we'll proceed to the number 8. This is performance hall. There will be cultural show at the end of the tour, and after the cultural show ends, we head straight to the dining hall where everyone will have their lunch together. And basically at the lunchtime, it will be the end of the tour for everyone. Okay?
If you want, you can apply for this job after camp. Only we have
this tribe, more than Dusun. Yeah, largest tribe in Sabah. Dusun people, they're currently into Christianity, with most of them Catholics. The others would be the other denominations. Yeah, and some of them also entered Muslim. Yeah, Islam. Yeah. Okay.
Shall I try? Thank you. I'm gonna try it.
If there's anyone else who
And I just asked your name. What's your name?
My name is Cyril.
And then
My
you?
name is Maui.
Nice to meet you all, guys.
nice to meet you.
I'm from India.
as long as you don't perfect them, they will not going to like sting your back. Okay? Quite hefty price. Yeah, since the way of cultivate the honey is not that easy either. Yeah. So back then they used the bamboo to take care of the beehives. To harvest it, they have to cut it in half. Yeah, he's playing a role. Yeah, as one of the rules craftsmen long time. Honey, right over
I'm
here.
gonna try.
And I'll let you guys to take picture with this lady here if you like to, yeah? Yeah.
Sorry.
This is here.
I'm gonna try
Okay,
this.
so the spoon please place it over here. So the wild honey here have lots of benefits, including anti-inflammatory, propolis for beauty, and
Just have a try.
but only
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, excuse me. I like this sound.
spark, just like that. And then we will use the pounder, pound it hard until it turns soft. And this is only applicable for the men. Yeah, so it's a men's clothing. Only. Yeah.
It's like this is sugar. Oh.
Right? Well, okay, so actually there's a leather. Yeah, this is actually a leather. Yeah, for the water.
And what for this?
And right over here, this one is actually a baby package. Traditional baby package.
Ah.
So it's usually will be used by the mothers, especially if there's no one else, especially the men in the house. And so she will bring the baby outside.
And then,
Yeah.
what about this one?
Oh, so this one of the main front by the water is go top of the head.
Bajau, bajau.
Bajau tribe is the second largest tribe of Sabah after Birswn. Oh, there you go.
I'm gonna try this.
Can I try it?
This way, mari mari.
Mari mari.
Okay, so right over here we're going to try out the
Bawa.
banana
Mozu,
juice or
you try this. What is that type of? What is that type of
Anyway.
ginger?
Yeah, they
Oh
use
man, I love
lemon,
this.
beef, ginger, and sugar.
This is
And
the-
like all of it will be bought around 50.
Come on, come on.
Shopping.
Oh.
Siyempre.
Cheers.
There's a trick here where this batter going to be rested up for one night. Okay? So no yeast, no baking powder or eggs required here. And it's also because back in the days they have no access to those ingredients. Yeah, they have only yeast.
Healthy.
Yeah. So that was the way to ferment it first a little bit. Yeah, and the next day it will be cooked up by frying method. It will turn out coffee and run so that they have. And here we have the sample for you guys. So for those who haven't tried out
This is Molly. This is a real question, okay? Not joke. But see, I didn't see any rice fields around. Like everything is hilly. Where did they get rice?
This is the.
It's like king and queen.
It's a king and queen in a way. Yeah, and it's actually so actually it's a wedding.
To stay here.
Before that, they will play the music instruments here. It's basically to alert or to tell the other villagers there's a wedding here. So it's a very happy occasion to them. So they want to share as many people as they can over that time period of 1 year. Yeah. But for this tribesmen, it's considered more.
We have in our hometown this one.
Ah, yes. Orange salad. Yeah, going to peel off the. Yeah, it's just.
We're entering into the headhunter's place.
Ano po?
Welcome to our village. What's your name?
JP. Dari mana?
Where are you from?
From America, but born in India.
So, who are you bringing?
Oh, they're all my family.
So as a leader, can you take care of them?
Oh yes, I have been taking care of them already.
Okay, bagus. Nama saya Giput, anak Kotak Malaysia.
Good, good. So his name is Giput, the son of the chief leader here.
Sarap kamu gembira masuk di kampung kami.
So he hopes you're happy and learn more about the culture here, and he welcomes all of you. Kan saya motong in means welcome in Moro language. Why it's called Tengah coffee? Because the coffee beans originally from Tengah. It's Sabah, where there's a coffee plantation there, and there will be that's also will be the place to stay. I mean, the home of the Moro tribe. Yeah. So like the Moro tribe, the third largest tribe in Sabah, and they were also known as the aggressive headhunters. Don't really care about your gender. If you're a man, a woman, or even a child, they will just cut you off. If you invade their village without permission, and if you cannot answer their questions, especially in their Moro language, they will just cut you off without any question. Moro, which means kill. Okay, so here they have a traditional ceremony which is called lansaran in their language. Okay, so these will be the traditional games for the warriors to celebrate their victories. So here they will play this game in one team after they're done with the head hunting expedition. Yeah, so they will play this in one team, around 5 person or at least 3 person. And one of them becomes the jumper, the rest become bouncers. So the bouncers will have the jumper will build up the momentum, just like that. And then the jumper will wait for the right timing to jump high and grab prizes up there.
Ah,
Yeah, so that's the main challenge here, right?
the tallest guy should be in the middle.
Yeah, but it will be done only one time. After that, it will be the turn of the other players. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.